Yes, saan kayo doon sa kakanta ng Europe mo? Oo, walang name eh. Basta, taas ka na lang ang kamay. Kayo po ang kakanta. Sige, after ni Gina. Thank you.
Ang mura guys ng mga bilihin ngayon, hindi katulad ng mga nakaraang Pasko na ang mamahal na mga damit, ang mamahal na mga sapatos. Ayun, no? Shoes for 3,499 pesos. So 300, almost 300 per item na lang yan. Tapos dito may mga Ferris wheel, may mga laruan. Anong love mong kalbo ka? Anong love mong kalbo ka? Ayan. Ferris wheel. Ayan, may mga kainan. Meron din dito mga set up for Christmas decor. Dito lang yan guys sa dito lang guys yan sa Riverside, Montalban. Mahaba to. Mahaba tong na to. So sobrang for almost kulang-kulang 2 taon na walang labasan ng mga tao. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi they're so much enjoying themselves outside the house. So Christmas, so dama ang Kapaskuhan. Ayan, kiddie pants life. Yan, Ferris wheel. So dito, ang bumura ng mga damit. Ayan, 50, 100. So may mga games. May punta tayo sana sa Parayahan. So yan, that's why. Siyempre, hindi mawawala mga street foods. Meron pa rin dito. Kaso wala pa nakasakay. Siyempre, mga street foods. Ayan. Enjoy talaga ang ating mga kabahan sa pagkain ng street foods. Popcorn. So dyan, sa gilid. Buhay na buhay. First, okay, so yun. Skilan tayo ng mga natin. So yan, sa mga gusto mamili ng mga murang damit, murang sapatos, murang tsinelas, nandito all items. So yun natin. Shirts 3 for 150. And of course, tsinelas. Hanggang dito na lang. Wala pa na sa tulong. So, yan. So yan guys, kasi for almost 1 year o over 1 year na na-stuck ang mga tao sa loob ng bahay. So syempre magki-Christmas. So sobrang enjoy. Nakakamiss talaga yung nakakamiss talaga yung ganitong buhay na ang sarap na tuwing December, tuwing sasapit ang Pasko, talagang enjoy ang mga tao. So yun, sa mga gusto mag-enjoy at lumabas, punta na po kayo dito sa Montalban Riverside. So enjoy lang. So tingnan nyo. Hoy, ano yan?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
Gotta feel alive in you.
Yun. Tapos na isang kanta.
Thank you, Marjorie! Wow! Salamat sa ating mga jumper na mag-delay ngayong gabi. So, thank you guys. Again, magpapakilala pala ako. My name is Ingrid Pastrana and good evening ulit kay Consihal Mark Manok, ang Wendell Ramos ng Montalban. Batiin naman natin siya ng good evening! So, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you po. Thank you. Isa pa? You want more, guys? Diba po? More. Sabi po sa iyo, chopper po natambak ka na pala tayo, chopper.
Gulat ako kanina. Akala ko, nakaupo lang yung kumakanta.
Yes.
Yung pala talagang ano. Pero ang galing, the best, galing. Ang galing niyang kumanta.
Yan. Diba?
Lang, may dumadaang, ano to, Ferrari? Ayun, no? Biglang may agaw pansin. Yan, guys. Ano ba lang? GT pala, GT Gustav. Dito lang tayo.
Iba na natin.
Yun, umupo na siya.
She's just a girl and she's a fire. Her fancy, run like a highway. She's living in a world that needs a fire. Think it has to be, but you know she can fly away. She's gonna get on the ground. Bring it down. Whoa. She's gonna get in the ground, and she's gonna rock it down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's holding the fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like the girl that she's in love. Slow ride, get ready to go. Yeah,